Hello guys, today somebody gave me a fresh whole milk and I decided to use it to make this beautiful cheese you are seeing. This is not yogurt, this is Wagashie and it ended here. Let me show you how to make it. I'm sure you will love it. First of all, we will need a Sodom apple plant, and this is how it looks like. In Ghana, we call this Wagashie plant. Yes, that is the popular name, and we don't need the leaves. We will discard that part and then go ahead and cut the stems into smaller pieces. After that, I'll pound this in a mortar and I'll be doing that off camera. When you are pounding, don't add water to it because this plant is very juicy. You don't need to add water to it. So I'm going to pound. I'll be back. And we are back, guys. So here I got my bowl and also my strainer, and then go ahead and squeeze out the juice. Alright, so we are done with the squeezing and we don't need the chaff, so we will discard that. And this is the juice I had. So here I pour in 2.2 liters of fresh whole milk, what we call nunu. Okay, nunu here in Ghana, that is what I'm using here. So now you turn on your heat and then begin to stir this continuously. To know that your milk is ready for the coagulant, this is what you do. You have to do finger testing, all right? So make sure you wash your hands well and then you dip it inside the milk and count up to 10. Oops, I couldn't reach the 10. That means that it's ready for the juice, the coagulant. So you add it to it and then you stir all together like that. That's all, and then you cover it and allow it to rest for at least 10 minutes. It's 10 minutes, guys. Let's check to see if our cheese has formed. Wow, guys, are you seeing what I'm seeing here? Incredible. A Fulani woman taught me how to make this. So here I got my colander and then I go ahead and scoop out the cheese into the colander just like this. Oops. So this is the way I had. There's still more in the cheese, okay? So this is what I'm going to do. I'll transfer the cheese into this bigger colander because this one is small. And then I put something at the bottom like this, all right? And then we allow this to rest for an hour, okay? It's 1 hour now. Let's check. Wow. So this is the additional way we had from the cheese, all right? We will discard that. So now I transfer my cheese into a plate. Hello guys, I present to you Wagashie, and please don't mistake this cheese for mozzarella cheese, okay? Even though they are all cheese, but there's one clear difference between them. This cheese we just made can be fried in oil, but mozzarella cheese cannot be fried. Don't even try it, it will melt, okay? That is the only difference between these two. In a bowl, I pour in cold water and then I add 1.5 teaspoons of salt, or you add to your taste, okay? Then I start to dissolve the salt. Here I go ahead and add in some of the cheese. I will not be frying all. Then we allow this to rest for 30 minutes. So after 30 minutes, I'll go ahead and fry it. Hello guys, Wagashie is ready and you are all invited. So I'm matching this with hot pepper sauce, guys, and this is my favorite part, and I hope you're going to give this recipe a try. Until I see you on my next video, stay blessed. Bye y'all.